Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to add attachments to your weapon in S.T.A.L.K.E.R 2. Let's get straight into it. So to keep it short and simple, all you have to do is either go over to a tech, which is right here. I'm in Zalisa right now. You just have to go over to a technician. Once you are in a technician, you can go ahead and either purchase, you can go ahead and either purchase an attachment, or if you already have one, like you can go ahead and purchase it from here. You can go ahead and purchase, you just click on the weapon, click on the circle, and then purchase attachments from here. However, if you already have an attachment like a suppressor, for example, click I. Well, this is for PC. Like I'll see this is a suppressor right here, pistol suppressor. I just go ahead and I just drag it on my weapon, and then as you can see, I now have a suppressor on my weapon. And yeah, it's very simple. I also had an extended magazine, which I also put on the pistol. But again, all you do is you just take it, you just drag it onto the weapon, and that is it. And if you want to upgrade your weapon, you have to go over to the technician. So yeah, that should basically be it. That is it for the video. And as you can see, now I have a suppressor, and I also have the extended magazine as well. So that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.